Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can synchronize my narrator settings on Windows 11. So if you already set your narrator feature on other device like a laptop and you want to move to your PC to synchronize the settings, first thing to do, you need to sign in into your laptop or your PC with your account. So you can create a Microsoft account first in order to synchronize. So both laptop and PC have same account, same Microsoft account. And now after that, you can click start icon and go to the settings and go to the accessibility, find the narrator. You can scroll down and here we go, manage data and service option. There is a synchronize my narrator settings on this device. Anyone who signs into this PC can use and edit these settings, so recommended for serial braille display users. Here you can synchronize and sign in setting will are updated. So feel free to try to synchronize your settings on this Windows 11. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.